Hi, my name is Samuel Cuevas and I am the collision repair instructor for Skyline High School. I would like to thank the Collision Repair Education Foundation for their help throughout the years in various donations, help with applying for the grant, having a student database for students to submit their resumes, and career fairs. Skyline High School was one of the chosen recipients of their grant. The school grant was able to provide all tools and materials listed in our wish list, and we received over the summer. So again, I would like to thank the Collision Repair Education Foundation for all their support and their continued commitment to support collision repair schools.